Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change or set paper size in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now you want to set the paper size. You can see here we already opened the document and here 3 page. Then we go to the file menu and select the document setup option. Now you can see here the number of page 3 and start page on 1 and the orientation is portrait. You can want to set the paper size, go to the page size drop down menu and you can see here letter, legal, tabloid, etc. Now I am select the legal and click OK. Then set the text box to legal paper size. Now you can see we set paper size very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.